another video. It's your girl Arianne Styllz. Today's video is going to be on nails, but not just any nails. It's COVID nail style nails. Since COVID, well, I'm living in Canada, and I'm not sure if some of you are aware, but we are still in a major lockdown. At this point of recording, we're in a state of emergency, so everywhere is closed except for essential areas like the grocery stores, etc. Now, I like to keep my nails looking beautiful nonetheless, and so I've opted for press-on nails. I've been doing them since I was pregnant. I did wear them for my gender reveal. Over time, I've learned some tricks, some tips, and also how to keep my nails looking fresh longer. So I will go through some of that with you. I'll first show you my nails, and I got these nails from Shan Nailed. That's her name on Instagram. I'll put it in the description box below, and I'll also put a clip of her page here. For my nails, I got these for 40 Canadian dollars. I got my nails for 40 Canadian dollars. Her packaging, this is what I get my nails in. As you can see, it has, you've got nail mail, which is very cute. So let's see what I get in my package. So you get how to apply your press-on nails. You get the box with the nails, and it says her name, Shan Nailed. You can check her out on Instagram. You also get the things that you will need in order to apply your nails, which is a buffer, you get a nail file, you get a picked wood stick, I think that's what it's called, you get a glue, and you get an alcohol swab. You will need all of these. For me, I use different glues, and I'll get to that in a second. Now for the nails, the most interesting part, which I can tell you, these are gorgeous. These are my nails. Aren't they the prettiest thing? Like, they're just beautiful. So before we get into the actual application of the nails, I'm just gonna go through a few questions that I had before getting into press-on nails for myself. So one of the main questions is, how long do press-on nails last? That is dependent on a number of factors. How you apply the nails, what you use to apply the nails, the type of nails that you have, and also to some extent the activities that you do while you're wearing press-on nails. Let me first start out with the type of nails. These ones, they're not as thick as acrylics, but they're not as thin. The thinner the nails, the easier it is to break. The next thing is glues. I prefer to use the Kiss glue. That one is very good. I'm out of it right now, so another option is this glue here, which is one that I got from Sally's, or you can use the glue that comes in the package. As it relates to the glue that comes in the package, I'm not the biggest fan of this glue. This glue is only if you want your nails to last a few days, which it has its pros and cons. Now, you may want to put on press-ons just for an event and want to take them off so that you can reuse them. This is the perfect glue. You can also use Gorilla Glue. A lot of people use that, but you have to be careful because it's a stronger adhesive, and so you have to commit to keeping the nails on longer. Also, how you apply the nails, you want to ensure that you have clean surfaces. For me, I cut my nails so that if in the event when I'm taking those off, I want to rip them off, I'm not ripping off my actual nails. Now the reality of things is that you don't necessarily need to soak off your press-on nails. Most of us, we put our hands in warm water to get it like loose, and then we pare it off. That's the trick there. Now, you also want to ensure that you push back your cuticles with the wooden stick that is usually in the package, and that also helps with the longevity of your nail. The next question the next question I have or had prior to getting press-on nails is, can the nails damage your real nails? Now, the truth of the matter is, any foreign objects such as acrylics or glued on nails, they have the ability to damage your nails. So you want to ensure that you keep your nails strengthened so that when you apply these things, it doesn't deteriorate your nails, if you get what I'm saying. So for me, what I do is to soak my nails in olive oil, and I also use nail hardeners. That way my nails are firm, they're stronger, and they can withstand the fact that when I'm taking my nails off in 1 to 2 weeks, I don't soak them off, I technically like pare them off. You also want to ensure that the nails are on properly so that water don't seep underneath the nails. That way you can get fungus. This can happen with acrylics, this can happen with press-on nails. So it's all about keeping the nails clean and maintaining your natural nails. The next question is, how do I remove them? As I said before, if you want to reuse your nails, you may want to just pare them off with a file or one of those wooden sticks. That way you can reuse the nails. But if you were to soak them off, you will essentially be damaging the nails. So that's the end of the press-on nails for you. Those are the ways that I know of to remove the false nails or the press-on nails. Another question that I had prior to getting press-on nails was, what if I lost a nail while I'm out or something crazy like that? Right now, that's not much of an issue because we can't go nowhere. But let's pretend that we were out and about and I lost a nail. Now, the simple fix for that is simply keep your nail file and your glue handy. A nail file, and that's to file off any excess glue that I would have had on my nails before the nail fell off. And I walk with a very easy glue. So this one is a brush on glue. It's very easy. It may not last as long, but it can get you through a few days. Or you can walk with your super glue or whatever you use, and so it's stronger. I find that it's easier. If you lose an acrylic nail or if you broke an acrylic nail, that's it. You have to go to the nail tech. So for me, press-on nails just have that much of a flexibility for me. It's also cheaper. For Shan's nails, she gives you some directions on how to apply your press-on nails. I'm gonna now show you how I apply my nails, and hopefully you'll be on the press-on train. Let's get into it. So my nails, they're already my size, which is medium. If you don't know the size of your nails, she has sizing kits, or you can get tape and you can measure from one end of your finger. You can measure from one end of your finger to the other, and that will tell you what your size is, and she'll make the nail according to your size. Now I will go ahead and show you how I apply the nails. So now you've seen me take my nails from basic to baddie. Now you see that press-on nails can be very versatile, they're easy, they're quick, and with a little TLC, just as you would for your acrylics, you can get from basic to baddie, just like me, even in quarantine. Now, if you have any questions on my maintenance or how I apply these, once again, don't be scared. You can always leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you once again for tuning into another video. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!